In mid-May at the IDEB 2026 Defence Exhibition in Bratislava, Slovakia, Poland's State Defence Group unveiled an export variant of its Borsuk infantry fighting vehicle. Unlike its domestic Polish counterpart, the export version has a Slovak-made remote turret. We look more closely at this new offering for today's video. With the news coming from the website Defence Blog, the export version of Borsuk was shown off at a defence exhibition in Bratislava featuring a Turra 30V9 unmanned turret. Obviously, for customers outside of Poland, the vehicle was developed as a joint proposal between Polska Grupa Zbrojeniowa, specifically its Huta Stolowa Wola subsidiary, and Slovak company IFV. The idea of offering an export version was already known for a few months. Indeed, the concept was first presented to the public at Poland's MSPO 2025 Defence Exhibition. However, the IDEB 2026 appearance of the vehicle marks the world premiere of this particular variant. The Polish Borsuk with a Slovak turret is actually one of the first tangible results of a March 2026 strategic cooperation agreement signed between the two entities we mentioned earlier. The signed agreement creates a framework for long-term industrial cooperation, mainly in the areas of turret systems, air and missile defense. Commenting on the agreement, Michal Pavlik, chairman of the board of directors and CEO of IFV, said, "The PGZ strategic agreement is very important for our company as well as for Slovakia. We see it as another step in building a significant regional partnership. This cooperation makes sense. We can use the complementary technological and production capacities of the Slovak and Polish defense industries. I'm convinced that the Turra 30 turret on the Rosomak and Borsuk platforms will be a strong export card for both countries." And so, with this background information, we can see that a similar collaboration with the Rosomak 8x8 is also taking place. Among the potential export markets for this Borsuk, countries in the Middle East and Asia were mentioned, with Saudi Arabia and Vietnam being highlighted specifically. And why exactly does Poland need to offer an export version with a Slovak turret? Well, it's highlighted by Defence Blog that the use of the Slovak Turra 30 turret would free up production capacities of the Polish ZSSW 30 turret, as this product is in high demand for vehicles ordered by Polish forces. Indeed, Poland alone intends to operate over 1,000 Borsuk and Rosomak vehicles fitted with the Polish turret. The Turra 30V9 is an unmanned turret developed by Slovak firm IFV and is part of the larger Turra 30 family. The V9 variant carries a modern fire control system with hunter-killer capability and independent observation and sighting instruments for both commander and gunner. The turret has often been paired with the GTS 30/A automatic cannon, a modernized variant of the Soviet-era 2A42 produced by Slovak firm ZTS Special. This cannon is chambered for standard Eastern Bloc 30 by 165mm ammunition, a deliberate move targeting export customers who already operate post-Soviet equipment and maintain existing ammunition supply chains. However, it's said that buyers who prefer NATO standardization can opt for the GTS 30/N variant, chambered for 30 by 173mm, or otherwise select cannons from the Northrop Grumman Bushmaster II family. The turret's secondary armament includes a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun and a dual launcher for Rafael ADS Spike LR2 anti-tank guided missiles. Turret armor meets Stanag 4569A Level 3 or Level 4 standards, depending on configuration. This allows for survivability against heavy machine gun fire and shell fragments. For the sake of comparison, the domestic Borsuk for the Polish army is armed with a 30mm Mark 44S Bushmaster II autocannon as its primary weapon. Its secondary weapon is a 7.62mm UKM 2000C coaxial machine gun. For anti-tank guided missiles, the Polish Borsuk also uses the dual Spike LR system. We have a whole video dedicated to the Borsuk, so we invite you to check it out later. However, for some general background, the Borsuk is Poland's next-generation amphibious infantry fighting vehicle meant to replace aging BMP-1 and BWP-1 platforms. Nonetheless, the Borsuk is built around an aluminium alloy hull with composite armor protection. It carries a crew of 3 with room for 6 dismounts. The website Army Recognition notes that the IFV has a combat weight of approximately 28 tons. This allows for a power-to-weight ratio of 25.7 horsepower per ton, enabling it to perform quick maneuvers and fast repositioning on the battlefield. The vehicle has a maximum road speed of 65 km per hour and an operational range of approximately 550 kilometers. And so it'll be very interesting to see if Poland can capture some international market share in the lightweight amphibious IFV segment. As Defense Blog highlights, the color scheme of the model presented at IDEB was not an accident or a random choice. Indeed, the desert camouflage applied is a reflection of the strong commercial position EVPU holds in Arab markets. In fact, the company operates a production facility in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So there you have it, a Polish-Slovak collaboration to see a Central European IFV exported to countries further afield. We imagine such an offering would be cheaper than Swedish, Spanish or German competitors and perhaps available faster depending on the levels of existing demand for those rivals. But what do you think of an export version of Poland's Borsuk? Let us know by leaving a comment.